Good afternoon, brothers. Welcome to our Brown Bag Gentleman. And today we have an unboxing. Get my glasses on. So, yes, Maggards. So let's see what we got in here. Let's see where we got this thing. Oh, right here. There we go. I think that's what we just have to peel this back now. So, alrighty, so what did we get today? Let's see what we got. What's this? Oh, yes, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. I forgot about something I did here. So, of course, I got some soap samples because this is what we do. For my channel, I order samples from Maggards and show you guys, and of course, I use them once and then I give them away to you guys. So yeah, that's the idea. So there's 4 more right there. And then some, I only got a couple of aftershaved. This is a repeat. If you notice that this cello with the blue label, I just really liked it last time. And it's been, since last spring when I tried it, I wanted another one. So I got another one so somebody else will get one. I'll use it once and you guys see it. And then the Seville goes with a soap, I think. Does it go with this soap? Seville. Yes, it goes with that soap right there. So yeah, interesting. So that'll be something to try. Now, what is this? Silicone adhesive sealant. The heck is that for? Let me show you what it's for. So first, we're going to unbox this. Look at that. It's a knot. And I forget what do they call this knot? What's this knot called? This is called the Timberwolf knot. Thought it was a cool name. It caught my eye. Oh, there's a couple of hairs sticking out of it. Oh, just one hair sticking out of it. Okay. So a Timberwolf knot. Oh, that's kind of squishy. That's soft. Okay, nice. Very nice. I do like the soft knots. And then, obviously, there's a matching handle, or there's a handle for it. And this knot, it looks a little bigger. Just to show you, it looks a little good size. Not that you can tell. 26 millimeter knot. So 26 millimeter handle to accept it. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can see with the light. The deep colors in that thing. And then none of this was expensive. There was like a $12 handle and maybe a $12 knot in that ballpark thereabouts. And like a $2 adhesive. So let's just pop that in there. It goes all the way in, which, yeah, that's going to sit all the way in. There's not going to be any spacing, I can tell. Right off the bat, that's bottoming out quicker than I thought it would. So it's going to display nice. So yeah, that's going to actually be really nice. So then basically the handle isn't too deep. So good to know. Yeah, so that will look kind of awful nice there. A little speck of reddish orange and stuff there too. Just thought it was cool. It was a pop. It jumped out at me. So yeah, I wanted to do that. And I'm looking for anything else. Nope, that's it. That's everything in the box. But just a quick little unboxing, show you what I got this round, and hope you enjoyed. And go with God.